Hello viewers, welcome to Comless channel. You are watching Comless Geet Lahari episode number 35. I am your host Arlene Matthias from Woodpee. Comless channel is a platform to showcase your talents. So please do not hesitate to send us your talented videos. Talents can be anything like singing, dancing, cooking, painting, drawing or any of your talents. Please make sure you record your video in landscape mode and send it to us on comlesschannel@gmail.com. Today we bring out some interesting new talents and I hope you all will enjoy our program with me. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update from Comless channel, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. This episode is organized by a multi-talented and a great event organizer, Renita Pinto from Barrel. So please stay tuned till the end with me. Sit back, relax and let's enjoy Comless Geet Lahari episode 35. Let's move on to our first participant for the day, Jovita D'Souza. Jovita is presently working in Dubai and apart from her profession, she loves singing, reading books and traveling, and she is also very active in church choir. And today she is going to sing a beautiful super hit Hindi song Baahon Mein Chale Aao from the movie Anamika. So over to you, Jovita.
बाहों में चले आओ, बाहों में चले आओ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ये आज का नहीं मिलन, ये संग है उम्र भर का, बाहों में चले आओ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा। राहों में चले हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा.
Thank you, Javita. That was a beautiful performance. Next up, we have Rupert Lobo. Sir Rupert presently is residing in Qatar along with his family. He is a very talented singer with a soothing voice. His daughter, Saloni Lobo, is a very good drummer and she has previously participated here on Comless. Rupert sir loves singing and cycling. And today, he is going to be singing a very romantic Konkani song, Tu Fula Bari Sobtaigo. So over to you, Rupert sir.
Sobtaigo tu sendra bari parziltaigo tu fula bari sobtaigo tu sendra bari parziltaigo Selina, tu kasari konina, warnu kashi tuji tiso baiko. Tu fula bari sobtaigo, tu sendra bari parziltaigo. Sendra bari minnincha tara bari nirmol sobaigo tuji fulcha fulank sari unwecha sendra bari minnincha tara bari Nirmol sobaigo tuji fulcha fulank sari tum kirnal suryache tu lar daryache tu amal gosoryache tum kirnal suryache tu lar daryache tu amal gosoryache Bori sobtaigo tu sendra bari parziltaigo शेता मोगा हांव तुजे संगी उलोवंक कावंडेता सदां ये तू मुझे लागीं जियोंक शेता मोगा हांव तुजे संगी उलोवंक कावंडेता सदां ये तू मुझे लागीं तुमने गार करिनाका तू रागार जायनाका तू म्हाका सतयनाका तुमने गार करिनाका तू रागार जायनाका तू म्हाका सतयनाका बरी सोबताय गो तू संग्रा बरी परजळताय गो ना दुसरी जाली ना तुका सरी कोणी ना वर्णू कशी तुजी ती सोबाईक गो ला ला ला
Wow, Rupert sir, that was an amazing performance. Next up we have Nitika Mascarenhas. She is an upcoming young talent from Mangalore. She currently lives in Hubli and she has completed her BSc with an extended major in psychology. Her hobbies are painting, dancing and singing. And today she is going to show us some of her art. So over to you, Nitika. That was a beautiful piece of art. Next up we have Anjali Pinto. Anjali is from Mangalore and currently she is living in Qatar along with her family. She is blessed with many talents. She loves singing and today she is going to be singing Needo Bala composed by Melvin Perez. So over to you, Anjali. Next up, we have Aaron Franco. Aaron is currently working in Barron. He has sung a couple of songs previously here on this channel. His hobbies are acting, mimicry, singing, dancing and many more. Today he has selected an amazing Hindi song, Kya Hua Tera Wada, from the movie Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi. Over to you, Aaron Franco.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम ओ इरादा, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम ओ इरादा, भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें, ओ दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम ओ इरादा। याद है मुझको तूने कहा था, तुमसे नहीं रूठेंगे कभी, दिल की तरह से हाथ मिले हैं, कैसे भला छूटेंगे कभी। तेरी बाहों में बीती हर शाम, बेवफाई भी क्या याद गई। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम ओ इरादा, भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें, ओ दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम ओ इरादा। ओ कहने वाले मुझको फरेबी, कौन फरेबी ये बता, ओ जिसने गम लिया प्यार की खातिर, ये जिसने प्यार को बेच दिया। नशा दौलत का ऐसा भी क्या कि तुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम ओ इरादा, भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें, ओ दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ओ कसम।
Thank you so much, Aaron Franco. That was a superb performance. Next up, we have Aiden Sherwin. Our story master is 7 years old and currently he is studying in the 2nd grade in New Indian School, Barrett. He has previously participated here on Comlist and today he will be narrating a new meaningful story, Never Make Fun of Anyone. So let's listen to what Aiden says.
Hi everyone, my name is Aiden Cherwin Fernandez. Now I'm going to tell a story. Never make fun of anyone. Once upon a time, a big businessman was traveling to a small village. His plan was to build a factory in that village. He reached a place where there was a river in front of him. He had two options. Either he has to take a whole turn around the river by road, which would take him 8 hours to reach, or in 20 minutes he could reach by a boat across the river. To save his time, he decided to go to the village by the boat. The boat was very small, in which on one side there was a boatman sitting and on the other side the businessman. After a while, the businessman asked the boatman, "Do you know who is sitting in front of you?" The boatman replied, "No, sir, I don't know who you are." The businessman asked him, "Don't you read newspapers? My photo comes almost every day." The boatman replied, "Sir, I don't know how to read and write. My father died when I was a kid, and to meet my family needs, I left the school and started working." Hearing this, the businessman made fun of the boatman and said, "You don't know how to read and write? What is the use of this type of life?" Hearing what the businessman said, he felt bad, but he did not say anything. After a while, the businessman said to the boatman, "Within a few months on the land that you see here, there will be a big factory where mineral water of our brand will be produced." The boatman did not understand anything. He asked, "Sir, what are you going to do?" The businessman got irritated and told, "We are going to bottle mineral water of our brand, which cannot be sold in this village but will be sold in the cities. If you have ever visited a city, you must have seen in shops water bottles are kept for sale." The boatman said, "Sir, how can I know all that? I never went out of this village." Then the businessman laughed at him and said, "You never went out of this village. You don't know even what is the city. What is the use of this type of life?" Hearing what the businessman told, the boatman really felt his life was useless. While these thoughts were running into his mind, he lost his concentration and the boat hit a large stone. Water started filling in the boat and the boat started to drown. The part of the river where they were was so deep and the shore was very far. The boatman knew that there was no way to save the boat. So to save his life, he was about to jump out of the boat. He asked the businessman, "Sir, you know how to swim, don't you?" The businessman got scared and asked him, "Why are you asking me this question? I don't know how to swim." Hearing this, the boatman felt like laughing and told, "Sir, you don't know how to swim? What is the use of that type of life?" Hearing this, the businessman realized his mistake and he pleaded to the boatman saying, "Whatever you ask me, I will give you. Just save my life." The boatman said in reply, "Sir, don't be afraid. I not only know how to swim, but I also know how to save people who are drowning. Now all you have to do is hold me tightly." The moral of the story is, we should never make fun of anyone, nor think they are small in front of us, because we won't know when, where and how who we will need to help us. Thank you.
Thank you, Aiden. That was a very meaningful story. Thank you viewers for watching Komlas Geet Lahari episode 35. I hope you all enjoyed our today's episode. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Comlist channel. If you've got any talents, please record your videos in landscape mode and send it to us on our email address comlistchannel@gmail.com. Make sure you check your video quality before sending your videos to us. Our panel team will review your video and broadcast your talents here on Comlist channel. If you want to anchor on this channel, record your own introduction of 20 seconds and send it to us on our WhatsApp number 94824-35300. I repeat again, 94824-35300. Thank you for your time and support. See you again soon. Till then, stay safe, stay home, wear a mask and sanitize. I am your host Arlene Matthias from Woodpee, signing off. Bye-bye.
Lights, camera, rolling, action.
Comlist is a platform to showcase your talents. Today we bring out some interesting... okay. This episode... Okay, sorry. Thank you, Ravita, for amazing Hindi song. I'm going to mess up again. From where to start? If you've got any talents, please. What is the first line again? Until then, stay safe, stay home, be happy, healthy, and wear a mask, sanitize, and maintain social distancing. Bye bye. I messed up. Let's go again.